filled up.
It's all filled up.
I just gotta pour some concrete on her.
Yeah, you can see it. Yep. Got another customer that's gonna come and fill it up for me. Here we go. That's it.
That's all, folks.
Yeah. Yeah. That's all, folks.
Well, she's starting to get cleaned up pretty good.
It's getting there.
Got one of the lifts in and the 4-post. So 2 of the lifts actually.
Yeah, the 4-post is all working. This one I just gotta finish wiring and then put the legs on it.
Man, just got the holes drilled for him in the concrete and
yeah. And one more lift tomorrow, and then we'll be. Well, no matter what, tomorrow we'll be working on cars because we're falling behind. So.
yeah, are you just gonna put another one right here?
Yep.
For that last bay door?
Yep.
Yeah, it definitely opened it up a lot though. Not too bad. Even just how it is now, it seems like way more efficient, even though it's less space, because now you have the 3 individual doors instead of just the one.
Right.
And the dyno. You have to wait for everyone to clear off the dyno so you can move cars in and out.
Yeah. Yeah, we were trying to lay it out with the space we had, so just pump cars out and try to get stuff going until we, hopefully figure out the place and stuff. Way stressful.
Yep.
We haven't stopped going. I don't know what day it is, time it is. I don't know.
Just keep going.
Yeah. Barely been able to think. We just work nonstop and then crash and then wake up, go again until we're done.
Definitely already looks way better.
Yeah.
I should have took some more video before of how messy it was in here and all the random parts and stuff. And now it's all cleaned up.
Yeah. Yeah, we did a lot of scrap loads and a lot of just trash loads. I've had so many people storing things in here. It's just we need it done anyway. So.
Yeah.
We got it. For sure.
It's good to go through all of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now once we find a new place, you can just leave all this stuff set up in here and it'll be legit for your own little personal shop.
Yeah, it's crazy. Everything's just been such a whirlwind. It's just holy crap. Just nuts.
Yeah.
And then the support everyone's been giving us. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You guys.
Like, I mean. Oh, talk about overwhelming.
Yeah. You guys killed
awesome.
it.
Yeah, it's like
that's gonna help out so much right now to find a new place. And we're still trying to get that one.
Yeah, because I'm still in my neighborhood, and I mean, even today we had the cops called on us. So like,
yeah.
This is not gonna work. So we're like, and we weren't even trying to. We just blocked the alley too long. So. Whatever, but I mean, everybody reaching out and everybody that's messaged me and all the stuff coming in on the GoFundMe, it's just, I mean, it's so overwhelming. I've been going so hard, I haven't even taken in the fact that I'm not even in the other building anymore. Like, you wake up and you go, where do I go? So, and then it's just all surreal. Everybody, all the fans and all the friends and
all the shares,
all the
everything.
Boostedboiz out there like sharing and helping out and giving what they can. It's very humbling. And my family and my guys, we were so grateful. Like, words don't even express how grateful we are. It's like, it makes me inspired to push harder and help others even more and make seriously like all the dreams people have come real. Everyone wants to build something, create something, and I definitely can help guide. And this is just talk about stepstone, because when you work as hard like 20 some years, you're always kind of running in place, but you love it, so you just keep doing it. This is like, whoa,
it's crazy.
It's surreal. That's the best word, surreal. Like, the power of, I guess, social media and everything else, but
the power of the boys.
yeah, all the Boostedboiz out there, like, all you guys, seriously, this is like unreal. I'm really, really grateful, because it is hard, you know. And my biggest worry is making sure the guys and our customers, everybody gets taken care of, because and that's the most important thing, you know what I mean? Like, that we all just keep working and doing what we love. And we have a serious passion for this. That's why, you know, we didn't skip a beat. They gave us 10 days and we were like, we got to go to option B, you know. This place wasn't made for this, but for now it has to be, because we still got things to do. We have goals. All the guys, no one can believe it. It's, you know, you put in so much time, and then having the world see you do care and that you want the best for everybody. You know, I don't know. I can't explain it. It's just, it's surreal. It's so humbling. You guys are all the best. That's the bottom line. You're the best. So in that, we're gonna run with it, and we're gonna
just see where it goes.
We're gonna turn up to 11. 10's cool, 11's better.
All right, guys. So yesterday I was over at Brent's shop. He is doing pretty good. He has almost everything he needs set up over there, and can't thank you guys enough for all the donations that have come in over the last couple days. It is just insane. So Brent is super thankful for everything that you guys have given and donated. And yeah, I guess we'll just see where it goes. We're still working on trying to get that building we were looking at. If anything, we were also thinking about possibly getting like a plot of land and then just building our own brand new building on it. We're still seeing what we can do, but for now we're trying really hard to find a new place for PFI for sure. But in the meantime, me and Emilio have also been working on the S14. About a week ago, we actually got the wiring harness and everything all plugged in, ready to go. And as it sits right now, we're ready to try to fire it up. It has oil, has coolant, and the transmission's all hooked up as far as like the drive shaft and shifter, and everything's all done. So we're gonna go ahead and see if she fires up for you guys. And yeah, we just haven't filmed much of it. We were just kind of knocking it out. But I guess today's the day we show some more of the 240. Right? Yeah, it looks good.
That turbo sounds nasty.
Yeah, there's no exhaust on it right now. We also ran this gauge in the car. It's an oil pressure gauge because we wanted to make sure that the repairs we did to that oil pump we're gonna work, and it is making oil pressure, so that's a good sign. It has a lot of pressure right now at idle, almost 70 psi, so she is making good oil pressure, guys. And I'm just glad that that little o-ring repair that we did on the pump is working out. But she sounds pretty good right now. She sounds pretty happy. Sounds good. Oh yeah.
Now I miss her.
Now you miss her? Now you want to buy it back?
Man. She's running now. Woo. She looks good.
All right, guys, so that really wasn't the first startup. We've actually already ran it a few days ago, so we already knew it was good. But first time we filmed it, but we actually let it fully warm up. We took it around the block, and then it's just been sitting ever since. So what we're gonna do right now is do a quick oil change. Since we let it fully warm up, we're just gonna change all that oil out in case it, you know, got a little bit of metal shavings just from the first startup. And then we're going to also throw the exhaust on because that's off right now. Even though it sounds so good, open downpipe, you can hear the turbo so loud, but we are gonna put the exhaust back on it and then get the oil changed out, and then we're gonna go drive it around, break her in, and then guess go from there.
Look at her hair stands up when she gets pissed. She had like a mohawk.
She hears the other dogs barking. Mila, come here. Come here. What you doing?
Who's that, Mila?
It's over there.
Who's that?
Be like all the cool drift kids. Yeah, no, these are all loose. Look, we need to tighten those.
Yeah.
Shit, it's our
all cleaned up.
The ceiling leaks a little bit.
Oh man. It's right on top of me too.
Well, I think it's supposed to go to this hose right here, look.
Yeah. The seat's soaked.
It's the drain. There you go.
Thanks,
Got
man. Don't forget your steering wheel, dude.
Can't. Ooh. It's toasty.
We got to get the windows to start working again.
We need the switches for those. But just got some Chinese food. Stomachs are full. Now we're just gonna go mob the 240 around, break around a little bit. How's that that tofu on that vegan diet again?
Hey. Gotta lose the weight, bro. Everybody's been saying I've been getting fat.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yep. Blew the line to the boost gauge and the blow-off valve and everything right there. She was making too much.
That's how we have to roll down the windows.
Tapping some power off the radio.
Good.
Yeah.
How much window you want? All of it?
All of it. That's good. Yeah, we just need to find the switches.
We got switches right here, dude.
All right, well, we made it back in the 240. She's running good. There's still some things we need to get done on it, like put the side skirts back on because those are up against the wall right over there. There's some grounds that we need to make a little better because we just have some alligator clips grounding some things out under the hood. But I mean, other than that, she's running great, guys. She has great oil pressure, so that little oil pump repair I did seems to be holding up. And also, like I said, I do eventually kind of want to get the interior put back in it, get the door panels back on, maybe put the headliner back in. Then we also need to take this sunroof off right here, get rid of this electrical tape, and probably just cover all that up. But she needs some love, but she is back up and running. And that's one less car to deal with now. We just got to button her up, and she's all set to go. Now the last thing to get running is the STI.
So last, I think we were working on this cable. So basically this car is drive-by-wire, so we had to convert it to cable. So we already drilled the hole for it. We're trying to use the gas pedal that's in it right now, but it doesn't have enough travel because it was made for a drive-by-wire. So we're trying to make it work. Kyle welded up a little piece on it to actually get the travel from, you know, so that way I can't even.
So that has enough throw.
Yeah.
That's what you're trying to say.
Because right now it's like at 80%. So. I mean, we have a cable already ran, you know, and it works. We just got to open it up to 100%. And then from there, we got to figure out this, to put a belt on it. We basically have to put an idler pulley above the tensioner in order to even get a belt on it. Josh was talking about, what was it, the single cam one? It's like a D15 AC pulley.
Yeah,
or something.
single cam AC compressor pulley.
Yeah, he used it somehow. He bolted it either here or here, and he got to use a belt off of that. So we're gonna try that out.
Yeah, see, because our issue right now is we're using this motor mount going to the old AC compressor bracket, and we were just gonna get the K-tuned alternator and power steering relocate kit. Yeah, that's a different company's, but regardless, they both will relocate the alternator down to where our motor mount is, and then, you know, run the belt off some other stuff. But we can't use that because we can't put the alternator down there because we have a mount in the way. So we're gonna try to figure something else out to get an alternator belt ran for this thing. And like we were just saying, our friend Josh used to have a K-Series in a Civic that was rear-wheel drive, which is now the car with the twin-turbo J, and he just ran a D-Series AC compressor wheel right there, and he was able to kind of bypass all that and make it work. So we're gonna try to do that. And yeah, I don't think we showed much of the gas pedal actually. We can show that another day.
Yeah, we didn't at all.
Yeah, we're just kind of getting some stuff done, but it is really close to being up and going. So we just need to get that alternator belt figured out, make the throttle body actually open all the way. He does have like 80% throttle right now, so we just got to figure that out. Get some sort of manifold on it, yeah, coolant and radiator hoses like that, and then she'll be all set to go. So yeah, that's where we're at on that one. Amelia's just been a little busy last week and a half.
I'll be free next week, so getting dedicated to this now that all your cars are running.
Yeah, now that all the other ones run, this is the last one we need to get running. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. 240 is back up and running, so once we get it all broken in, we can go out and start ripping it, and then maybe I can learn how to drift finally. But yeah, also just wanna thank you guys again for all the support we have received. It is unreal. All you guys donating, trying to help get Brent a new shop, it's crazy. But there is possibly gonna be, you know, a long process to do that. It might take a couple months to get it because we are still trying to get that one we were looking at. But like I said at the beginning of this video, we might look into buying a plot of land and then just building one, or we might just kind of wait out and make sure that we got the right shop. You know, we don't want to rush into it too fast. But regardless, with your guys' help, it's gonna make it so much easier to find a place. And I just want to help get Brent out of his backyard as soon as we can, because, you know, he deserves to have a full, nice shop. And it's really all I have to say about that. So it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. As always, thanks for watching.